Welcome back to the channel where we share simple and practical Stoic wisdom for everyday life. Today we talk about relationships and the 9 principles smart men should follow according to Stoicism. These ideas help you stay strong, calm, and self-respecting in matters of the heart. First, protect your past by not sharing every detail of your struggles or mistakes because your story is personal and should only be shared when truly necessary. Second, face the fear of being alone and understand that being alone is not the same as being lonely, since learning to enjoy your own company helps you choose relationships out of strength instead of fear. Third, manage your time wisely by not giving all your energy to one person and instead investing time in your growth, goals, and happiness. Fourth, celebrate your achievements and remember to value your own progress instead of constantly seeking approval from others. Fifth, protect your mental health at all costs because sacrificing your peace for someone else only leads to loss and regret. And above all, stay true to yourself by living according to your values and not changing who you are just to please someone else. Because Stoicism teaches that self-respect, balance, and inner peace are the foundation of healthy and meaningful relationships. Be true to yourself and stop worrying too much about pleasing others, because saying yes to things you dislike slowly takes away your freedom and peace. Learn to say no and live honestly, since this is your life and you are not meant to play a small role in someone else's story. Never sacrifice your own path just to fit into another person's life, because changing yourself to meet someone else's expectations only leads you away from your goals and causes inner pain. Walk your own path with confidence and pride in who you are. Also remember to value your friends and family, because they are the foundation that supports you and helps you grow. Pushing them away for someone else's approval weakens you. Finally, avoid becoming obsessed with anyone, because losing balance and focusing all your energy on one person makes you forget your own worth. Reclaim control of your life. Follow your purpose and let your life shine on its own, as Stoicism teaches that strong relationships are built on self-respect, balance, understanding, and inner peace.